Namaste friends. Today we will talk about the children who eats more and more. Just now they ate, again they are asking for food. More hunger in children means what? The medical term is polyphagia. The child feels hungry again and again even after eating. The main causes are worm infestation, very common in children. Signs are hunger soon after eating, grinding teeth during sleep, itching around anus, weakness, thin body and irritability. Homeopathic medicines are Sina. Symptoms are constant hunger, grinding. Worm symptoms. Teucrium. Teucrium is also one of the best remedy for worms. In this teucrium, anal itching is more. In Sina, teeth grinding is more, but in teucrium, anal itching is more. Santoninum. Santoninum, excessive hunger due to worms. Now we are coming on the second point, malnutrition, hidden weakness. The child eats but food is not properly absorbed. Signs and symptoms are very hungry but still thin, weak muscles, poor weight gain, slow growth, easily tired. The homeopathic medicines, Calcarea phosphorica, thin, weak, slow growth. Alfalfa improves nutrition and strength. Natrum muriaticum, weakness with good appetite. Anemia, low hemoglobin, very common in school-going children. The signs are pale face, weakness, tiredness after small activity. Little activity also makes them tired. Wants to eat again and again. Poor concentration. Now the homeopathic medicines are Ferrum phosphoricum. Anemia with weakness. China. Weakness after loss of strength. Alfalfa. Appetite increased but still weak. Growing children. Rapid growth stage. Sometimes hunger increases because the body needs more nutrition. The signs are increased appetite, weakness after play, bone pain, thin body but active. Homeopathic medicines are Calcarea phosphorica, best medicine for growing weakness is Calcarea phosphorica. Either you can give in potency or in biochemic, 6x or 30 potency. Alfalfa improves weight and strength. Now, diabetes is also one of the cause, rare but serious. If hunger is very high, this must be ruled out. Signs are excessive hunger, excessive thirst, frequent urination, weight loss and weakness. Now the homeopathic medicines are Syzygium jambolenum, uranium nitricum and phosphoric acid. These are the medicines if diabetes has been found, sugar has been found in the blood of a child. The important signs parents should not ignore. Child eats a lot but remains thin. Immediately, parents should consult a physician, especially homeopathic physician for a child. Weakness even after eating, pale face, no weight gain, constant hungry. So friends, that's all for today. I hope you will like this video, and if you like it, please share to your friends and relatives who are having small children. Maybe they are having some problems in children. Thank you. Long live homeopathy, long live Honeyman.